Chris here again from Pronamics. With our project now fully priced up and our overhead and margins spread how we want it to be spread, we can now move on to looking at project reports. Running reports is one of the easiest things you can do in the program.
You can access reports anytime by clicking the Reports tab here at the very top of the window. This will reveal the Report ribbon toolbar. Let's have a look at what might be thought of as the most fundamental report in the program, the submission schedule. This report displays each of the direct cost items with their cell rates and cell totals, except for the rate-only items, that is. You can customize the options of any report you have open by clicking here on Change. These options will vary depending on which report you have open. Let's update the name of the report to be Price List as an example, and add signature lines. When you click on Apply, you'll see the report update for those changes. If we scroll to the very end of the report, we can see the signature line added here. If you'd like to add your company name and logo to the report, this is simple. Click on the File menu, then Options, and then Reports. You can enter your company name here, and use the Select Image button here to navigate to the image file of your logo, or whatever you want to have displayed in the top left-hand corner of each page of the report. The Report toolbar allows you to carry out a range of very useful functions with your report, including printing, zooming, and adding a watermark. But most usefully of all, you can export the report in a range of formats, including PDF, CSV, and XLS. Let's export to PDF and see an example.
And that's working with reports. And the end of our Getting Started series. So where to from here? Well, we've only just scratched the surface of what expert estimation can do. So for more information about the application, check out the information that we've linked below this video. And the next time that you get stuck on working on something and you just can't do what you want to do in the way that you want to do it, why not give me a call on my direct number? I'll help you get more done so you can have more fun.